This is crypto!
What up, crypto warriors? It's Ultra Crypto back at it again. Today is May the 4th. Be with you, 2021. Let's get into it. We have Bitcoin not doing so well right now. 5% down. Yeah, not a big deal. It's just 5%. But we have some of the altcoins, because of that 5% drop in Bitcoin, it's taken quite a beating right now. We have Ethereum still resisting it, still pushing upwards, right? We hit an all-time high of over $3,500. I thought it was going to run all the way up to 4K for a second there. We have Dogecoin in price discovery mode right now, and this is probably due to Elon Musk's Saturday Night Live appearance coming up this Saturday. So this might be a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of deal. Don't get caught buying the top. Who else? We have Cardano correcting a little bit, Polkadot correcting, Bitcoin Cash. All right, mixture of red and green. Ethereum Classic killing it. Wow. Yeah, pretty much a red market for the day, but nothing too crazy. There's some double-digit drops here and there, but nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. This is crypto, man. All right, this is just a Tuesday, man. Crypto land. Let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin Rainbow Chart. And where are we currently? We are in, is this a bubble territory, in this orange section right here. Okay, so that's the current price. And as you can see, that's the date, the 13th of May. That's if it continues in this trend. That'll be nothing to worry about. Everything is still on track. According to Stop the Flow, we have great news coming out. People, institutions adopting Bitcoin, institutions buying Bitcoin, institutions and companies worldwide still putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet, and people stacking sats every single day. Next, come from Cointelegraph. DeFi Resurgence lifts Maker, Aave, and Compound price to new highs. Well, Ethereum is pumping, and we see that a lot of the Ethereum-based DeFi tokens are killing it right now. Analyzing the activity of lending platforms can sometimes be used as a barometer for measuring the sentiment of the cryptocurrency market, as a higher number of collateral-backed loans may signal that traders are eager to trade a rising market. The month of April saw the total value lock on Maker, Aave, and Compound climb to new highs alongside rising token values, trading volumes. When we talk about the TVL, the total value lock, this is actual real numbers here. This isn't like the stock market where you have derivatives of a derivative of a derivative, right? And you have valuations in the trillions and quadrillions of dollars. This is actual value. This is real assets, real value. Okay, I'll show you real quick. And here it is, visualization, or all the world's money and markets in one visualization. This was published 11 months ago on May 27th, 2020. And as you can see, this was just a year ago. Look at that, $244 billion for the total value of the whole crypto market. Right now, Ethereum's market cap is $100 billion over this. Let's double check that real quick. Ethereum, yeah, look at that. All right, so we've grown a lot over the past year, to say the least. But when I was talking about derivatives of a derivative, right? Here it is. This is the stock market. All right, all the stock markets. Okay, $90 trillion. That was last year, so it was probably 100 trillion now or more. And just the total money supply, blah blah blah, global debt, global real estate, global wealth, and derivatives. When you're talking about derivatives, you're talking about long in a stock, or shorting the stock. When you're shorting the stock, you have to, borrow money, buy against it, or buy the stock, and all these financial wizardry, financial magic tricks, basically, right? to be able to long and short a stock. What happens is you have a derivative. What is a derivative? It is a contract between two or more parties that derives its value from the performance of an underlying asset, index, or entity. And look at this derivative market. They're saying the gross market value is 11.6 trillion. The notional value is 555 or 58 trillion dollars. And this is what the notional value is, $1 quadrillion, because you're having, people are shorting Tesla stock. When they short it, they're borrowing against it, right? And then the next person is, shorting them. Like it gets all convoluted and complicated. No one could really explain the derivatives, right? I think I saw a video on, I don't know if it was Fox Business or MSNBC or one of them, and they were asking these people that work on Wall Street, traders, to explain what a derivative is and how it works. And no, they act like 4 or 5 different people, and they all have a different answer. No one knows what it really is. So when you're talking about the value, a lot of times these stocks, these aren't even real things. They're just numbers on a screen. No one actually get a paper or stock certificate in the mail anymore, or from their stockbrokers. It's just numbers on the screen. Now, when you're talking about the total value locked in DeFi, these are real numbers. These are real numbers. This is not made up numbers like a derivative, okay? These are real value, real assets being locked up. And that's why I think we're still super duper early. All right, so here it is. Maker, all right? The TVL for Maker rose to $11.09 billion. That means that people locked up real money on Maker. We have Aave, all right? A rally in the price of Polygon and the rapid growth. Remember, that was one of my coins from yesterday. Go check that video out. Okay, check that video out. All right. A rally in the price of Polygon and the rapid growth of its quick swap DEX coincide with the sharp increase in the TVL of Aave protocol, which stands at $10.56 billion according to data from DApp Radar. And you see that the Aave price, of course, increased by 55% from $315 to $534. All right. We also have, coming from DApp Radar, talking about Compound. The TVL on Compound is $11 billion. Again, I want to reiterate and stress the fact that this is real value being locked up on these lending platforms. Real value being locked up, real assets, not like this fake stuff that's happening over there on Wall Street where no one can actually explain what a derivative is. If I find a video, I will link it in the description below. But yeah, look at this. This is $1 quadrillion, 1,000 trillion. And this is just fake value. This is just what they think that's out there. All right? Because it's the same thing that happened in 2008. You have a bank having an asset or a claim to an asset, and then they lend that out to another bank, then that bank lend it out to another bank, then that bank lend it out to another bank, and so on and so forth. And that's the same thing that happened in 2008. They did not fix the situation. They did not solve the problem. They just continue with more of the same. With blockchain, however, you can't do that. With blockchain, you're not doing that. You're actually able to see what's being locked up. You're able to see what's being transacted on the actual blockchain. You can't hide it. Okay? There's no hiding it. There's no creating a derivative of a derivative of a derivative of a derivative. All right? Paper assets or paper claims to one asset. 10 paper claims to one asset. Not happening on blockchain with blockchain technology. Next. ETH, right? ETH soars above 3,500, now bigger than Walmart. Like I said, that market cap of ETH is $391 billion, and it's worth more than Walmart. And here's a chart right here. These are all the companies. We have NVIDIA all the way down here. But look, Walmart, 300. Well, actually, at the time it was $400 billion, $404 billion, and Walmart is $399 billion. ETH retraced a little bit, but it's going to surpass it and continue to grow. All right, I could definitely see ETH hitting the value of $1 trillion by this time next year. It could 3x from here. All right, so that's what, putting it at its price now, what, a little over 9,000, maybe 10,000. Let's round it up, $10,000. All right, so there you have it. Next, someone on Twitter, all right, this person at Romeo_DE, Olger, he created an Ethereum rainbow chart. Created an Ethereum rainbow chart, and right now, according to this rainbow chart, we can see that we are. Is this the flipping in? And I like the way how it, it's kind of following or just memeing it. All right, so here it is. Fire sale, undervalue, accumulating, still cheap, all season. And is this the flipping in? But have we earned it? Go back to Bitcoin, maximum bubble territory. We are still far, 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 far away from hitting maximum bubble territory. We are in the middle right now, even though ETH prices have been skyrocketing. And here it is on Trading View. I don't have no lines drawn or anything. Like I said yesterday, we were definitely over bought, and we are right now back into a reasonable region right here. But there it is. This candle is about to close out in about 17 minutes. And hopefully we trend back up. Okay. Next, last but not least, coming from Coindesk, Sothebys to accept crypto as payment for Banksy artwork. Sothebys is a 277-year-old auction house. When you talk about the institutions coming in, this is what they're talking about. Institutions like this, that's been around for damn near 300 years, that's going to be accepting cryptocurrencies as a form of payment. And of course, they will be accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum, as well as US dollars, according to the email announcement Tuesday. They've been involved with this crypto space for a while because they helped sold digital art and NFTs, along with an increased focus on digital innovation. As Sotheby's, they already sold some NFTs last month in April at $16.8 million. $16.8 million. I'm surprised they didn't take Ethereum for that, but there you have it. This artist, Pack 4, made $17 million for an NFT at Sotheby's last month. And Sotheby's, they will be accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum moving forward. All right, let me know what you guys think. Smash that like, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you for the support. Check that video out from yesterday, the top 5 coins for May, and I mentioned Polygon in it. And I'm out. Peace.